Back inside of our timeline feature, we actually have a communications tab where we can integrate your emails with Albi, and you can send emails in and out of the program. An email at the end of the day is the same everywhere you go, but what the beauty behind Albi is you can actually attach documentation directly from the project file. This completely alleviates the need to download documentation from your CRM or from Encircle and upload it into your Gmail. Here, if we have Encircle integrated, or if you're using Albi for documentation, you could just select a couple of files here, and within 3 clicks I can send someone a project report, an estimate, and a signed copy of their agreement, and now I don't need to upload and download anymore. Additionally, what Albi does is Albi will track all the emails that are going back and forth between you, customers, adjusters, so on and so forth. For example, if one of you guys is emailing with a customer and the other person needs to be kept in the loop and you don't want to dig through your inboxes, again, you could just pop this up and you could see exactly the communication between yourselves and the customer.